No doubt you have heard about Cool Sculpting, but what you may not know is that Bodify is one of the premier Cool Sculpting facilities right here in Arizona. And I want you to meet Jessica Johnson, who is the co-founder here at Bodify. And first of all, congratulations to you.
Thank you. My sister and I are very proud.
Yes, what a huge honor. You guys have done over 7,000 Cool Sculpting treatments.
Absolutely. I mean, the technique that you need in order to get a great result is very particular. So we pride ourselves on the fact that our certified technicians have done over 7,000 treatments, and we know how to get our clients wow results. Cool Sculpting is a really simple yet brilliant technology. All it really does is freezes the fat cell in the area that we treat. It takes 2 to 4 months for 20 to 25% of those fat cells to flush out of the body, but the brilliant thing is once those fat cells are gone, they're gone. So we really can say that stubborn fat has met its match.
I like that a lot. So what are we talking about here? Like who's really a good candidate? Who's the perfect candidate to walk in your door?
Absolutely. So an ideal Cool Sculpting candidate is an active man or woman of any age who really has a pocket of stubborn fat that doesn't seem to respond very well to diet and exercise changes. These individuals are often looking for a non-invasive solution that works exceptionally well, that doesn't require downtime, and will give them a really natural and beautiful looking result, and Cool Sculpting fits that bill perfectly.
Okay, who doesn't have that little pocket? That doesn't matter what you do, doesn't matter how much you eat, how much you exercise, it will not go away. Let's talk about the treatments themselves. How long do they last, and do they hurt?
Yeah, so of course it is a treatment, and so there's always a little bit of variance in how it feels for a person. I would say that about 95% of our clients don't have any issue with it. The moment that we put that suction applicator on, there can be a little bit of a pinching and pulling sensation, and then it takes about 7 to 10 minutes for that area to go numb. But after we take it off, we massage the area, which is critically important in order to get the best result, and then you're on your way.
Okay, well, it must not hurt at all because this beautiful lady's not screaming. Matter of fact, we're in the room right now. She's getting the treatment as we speak. So when you come in for the treatment, Jennifer, how long will it take to actually see some results?
Absolutely. So it's 2 to 4 months, and I think there's a lot of miscommunication and misconception out there that it happens fast. Most of our clients are incremental. They're going to see a little reduction maybe at 4 weeks, a little bit more at 8, a little bit more at 12, full-blown at 16, but we're permanently removing fat. You have to be patient, and it's going to be a natural-looking result, but it does take 2 to 4 months to see that full 20 to 25% flush out of your body.
And what do you want everybody at home watching to know about Bodify? What makes you guys different?
That's a great question. I think as Cool Sculpting gains popularity, there's a lot of new facilities popping up, but it is a very nuanced technology. As I said, we've done over 7,000 treatments. We know how to get you the best results. I also think it's important when you're in office to see their own before and after photos. We share only our own before and after photos because we want you to have a realistic expectation and see the type of work that we do. We also guarantee a result, which no other facility does, because we don't think it's fair to invest time and money in a treatment that's not going to work.
Right.
Obviously, we have a man cave because men have fat too, and we have stellar online reviews and flexible hours to accommodate busy schedules.
I got to go back to that man cave real quick. That is the coolest thing. Good for you.
Yeah.
Brilliant idea, because a lot of your clients are guys.
Absolutely. We talked to a lot of men before we opened Bodify, and they were like, heck yeah, I have stubborn fat, but they didn't feel comfortable going to a space that was dedicated for women. So we created a space where they could sit back, relax, and freeze their fat.
Excellent, excellent. All right, well, let me tell you something. Bodify has a very special offer just for you. And here it is. You call today, and they'll give you a complimentary consultation, and you buy 3 cycles, they're going to give you the 4th cycle free. Here's the phone number to call. It's 602-354-8040, and you can always learn more at their website, bodify.com.